Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn text into videos via your Synthesia. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to turn text into video using Synthesia, all you gotta do is simply go to Synthesia. Once you're in your Synthesia AI, you need to tap it on. And now to turn text into your video with your Synthesia, you need to use the AI video assistant by pasting a script. You need to type in your script in any language. You can simply paste it as well, and now you can tap on create free AI video. So once you have done this, you can simply give them a URL or document as well if you don't want to paste a script, and then you can select a template and an AI avatar and then customize visuals, voices and branding before generating the video, which allows for instant creation, editing and translation. So in this way you can turn text into video using your Synthesia. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.